In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 100 social media posts all at once with Canva and ChatGPT in just a few minutes. Here on Canva, what we want to do is to choose our document type we want to be working with. And since we are posting on social media, we want to choose the social media doc type. And here we'll be using the Instagram post square. So let's go over to design and search for motivational posters. It brings out all these beautiful templates that you can select from and use. So we are going to choose any of these templates. So you can pick a free template depending on what account type you are using. This is a free template and this is a paid template, the ones with the crown. So I'm just going to pick this one, but you can actually use a free template and get the job done too. Let me pick this one and let me come and add a new page. Let me go back to the design and look for other ones I like. I'm going to insert this free one here. I'll take this one out and let me drop this down. I'm going to increase this, take this up, and I'll copy this too, and I'll take this one into the first page and delete this page. We might want to duplicate this text and put it somewhere here to add a bit of our branding to it. I'm going to reduce the font size. So this will have like its signature. Let me go change the font. Once we are happy with our design, the next thing, we want to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a series of different 100 motivational social media posts for aspiring entrepreneurs and freelancers. Each post should include the following: a caption and a call to action explaining what they want. And I went further to say, please format the output in a table with these columns. These are the columns I wanted. And I came down here to say, generate all 100 posts in this format, keeping them fresh, using a human voice with a friendly tone, use short sentences and simple words, make it sound like you're talking to a friend. After which I clicked on enter. So it came back and gave me the first 10 because of the way I've customed my own GPT. I tell it to give me things in bits so I can understand that it's getting it properly for me. That's why it came back and gave me 10 to see if I like it or want to modify it so I can continue. This has been my conversation with ChatGPT, so it understands how I like to get things done. That's why it's responding to me in this manner. I went ahead and said continue. It asked me if I'd like to continue the next part. I said yes, but this time make it 20. It came back and gave me this 20 here. I would ask it to continue. With this now, I have my 100 social media posts. Then I'm going to copy this. I came back to my Canva and came over here where it says apps. And I'll scroll down to find more apps from Canva and click on bulk create. At this point, it is worthy to note that bulk create does not work on mobile. It only works on the PC. So we are going to enter this data manually. If you click on that, you have the option to manually enter your data. You can also add images for each of these separate pages. You can add more text. You click on here and paste our data. We'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the next one and go back and click here and paste. We've copied the third one. Let's go back, paste, let's go down and go back to ChatGPT. Let's paste, let's come down, click on this and come here and let's copy the last batch and let's go over here and let's paste. So we have our 100 write-ups we want here. I right click here and decide delete this colon. Let's click on this one because I just wanted to use these post numbers to know how many my posts are, whether they are complete when I was asking ChatGPT, so I know it's generating it correctly. That's why I use the post number. But right now I'm just going to right click on my mouse and delete this column. For this cell, I'm going to copy the text inside it and paste it on the heading above the cell. And I'm going to do the same also for this text. Copy it and paste it on the heading above. So I'll select this tool and right click and delete row. And once we're done with that, we're going to hit on done here. Now that I have all these sets, I can click on this one here and click these three dots, connect data. I'm going to connect this to the one that is caption here. I'm going to click on these three dots where it says connect data. I'm going to connect it to call to action. If you see, these two are connected. That's why it now opened up for me to continue. Right now, you might still want to do some adjustment based on how lengthy your text are. So with this, I'm going to click on continue. And it has told me this is how everything is going to create. And I'm going to click on generate 100 designs. So it has redirected me into a new page, which is what will be my designs. If I scroll, you see that every other one seems okay. So you can just go through it and know these texts here are just okay. The call to action where I put it here is just okay the way it is. But some of these texts are bigger than the other. Right now, I think the first one is the most biggest one. I'm just going to click on this and take it up a bit. Since we have an animated text here, if I click on play, you will see how it plays. If I don't want it to play after playing, I will go back into this animation and make it to animate only on enter, because it's on animate on both. It's going to make it animate only on enter. So after you finish writing, the text can stay. Let's take the speed down. How beautiful is that? I think this is cool. I think I'm going to post it on my Instagram. This is usually useful if you have a team page, you have a business page. You can use this to generate multiple posts and post for your social media. You don't have to worry, crack your head. What will it be? What should I post today? With this, you have a lot of posts to post and it's interactive. And when downloading, if I click on share and I go over to download, you can choose to download as a GIF and also download as separate pages. That way, each of them are downloaded as separate pages. Once you download them on your PC, it's going to appear as a zip file. You can now extract them and post them, or even schedule this post all through, so they just post without even doing anything. How cool is that? Or you can just download them as PNG.